Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how to send video messages on WhatsApp. So when you open your WhatsApp, as you can see here, and you want to send a video message for this account, so all you need to do is just tap on the mic icon right here at the bottom right corner of your screen. And as you can see, it has switched into a video icon here. So all you need to do is just tap and hold this video camera icon to make a video message. So tap and hold this one and it will open up your camera. So you just have to hold it, and then as you can see, it opens the camera, and you can also switch to rear to front camera or front camera to rear camera. And then once you've done, it will automatically send this video message to that account. So yeah, that's how you basically send video messages on your WhatsApp. So as you can see here, that video message, and it is now uploading this video message here. But once done, as you can see, you can watch the video and it will automatically send it to your account. So yeah, that's how you basically send video messages on WhatsApp. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.